Hi. So in the dictionary series, now we will see how we can copy a dictionary to another one or to create a new variable, so called a new dictionary. Okay. So copy dict. Okay. Look, actually you cannot copy a dictionary simply by typing like this. Uh, dict1 dict1 is equal to dict2. You cannot do this because here dict2 will only be a reference to dict1. Okay, and the changes made in dictionary 1 will automatically also made in dictionary 2 because both are almost same. We are just comparing it. Okay, so but there are ways to make a copy also. There are two ways available for the dictionary by which you can copy the overall dictionary. Okay, so first is our built-in method, which is so called copy. Let me show you the example. First, here we will make a copy. Let me write a dictionary. Same thing we will do. Okay, um, brand, and let band be. I'm not interested in car actually, so I'm not exactly remembering the brands and all. So first brand is Ford. Let's say its model is now, let's say, Eco. Same we will do. Why we will take another example, I don't know. And the third we will use year. Let's say 2020. Let me copy this so that I could use in another example. So car, key is brand, value is Ford, model is Eco, and car is year is 2020. Now I will use another dictionary. Let's say new car. Okay. So I'll make a copy of the car dictionary to a new car. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just put car and then I'll use a built-in method so called copy. This method will copy all the key values in the car dictionary to a new car dictionary. Okay, and if I'll print this, let me check it if it is copied or not. Invalid syntax. Where invalid syntax? Okay, okay. Here actually we need to give a comma. Now it is been printed. It is copied. Now everything whatever is in car, it is now in new car. Okay, so this is one way. This is one copy method, and there is also another method, a simple method. You have already seen this method, but again I am just recalling this method to you. Another method for copying. We will make a copy of a dictionary with a dict function, what we have seen in the past, right? So just suppose I am taking the same example, but here car new is equal to what? dict. Dict function is basically for defining whether it is dictionary or not, but here we will not use the curly bracket because we are defining it. We will use a round bracket. Okay, it is same like set function, it is same like list, it is same like tuple, what we did in the past couple of sections, right? So what I want to confirm, I want to confirm car. Okay, dict car, this method will make a copy of a dictionary, and if I'll print this, print what? Car new. Let me take it new one so that you couldn't get confused. Okay, new one. If I'll print this, where, oh, again, okay. We have copied a wrong actually, so it is okay. Now it is copied in car new one. Okay, so there are basically only two methods. First method is dict method, dict method. Okay, and another method is the copy method. There are only two methods available for copying the overall dictionary. Okay, so hope you understood this section. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.